In music, we play at different dynamic levels, and dynamics are so important because they add so much to the music. Now with dynamic markings, we have two main letters. We have the letter P, which is short for piano, which means soft, and we have the letter F, which is short for forte, which means loud. We also have the letter M, which is short for mezzo, which means half, and this letter M can go in front of both the letter P and the letter F. So MP is short for mezzo piano, which means half soft, and MF is short for mezzo forte, which means half loud. Now mezzo forte, half loud, is about our normal playing level. So that could sound like this. Now if we wanted to go one dynamic level up from our normal playing level, we'd go to F, which is short for forte, loud. So that could sound like this. Okay, so if I play one bar MF, mezzo forte, half loud, and then one bar F forte, which means loud, it sounds like this. Okay, so if we go back to our normal playing level, MF, mezzo forte, half loud, and we wanted to go down a dynamic level, we could go to MP, mezzo piano, half soft. So one bar of MF, mezzo forte, half loud, and one bar of MP, mezzo piano, half soft, sounds like this. If you wanted to go down a dynamic level further, we could go to P, piano, which means soft. Okay, so if again we start at the normal dynamic level, MF, mezzo forte, half loud, and we want to go down to P, piano, soft, sound like this. Okay, so you've got different dynamic levels. Starting from the bottom, we've got P, which is short for piano, which means soft. Then slightly louder, we've got MP, which is short for mezzo piano, half soft. Slightly louder than that, we've got MF, short for mezzo forte, which means half loud. Slightly louder than that, we've got F, which is short for forte, which means loud. Okay, so we want to make sure we can go through these dynamic levels. So let's try one bar of a basic groove now, starting from the bottom at piano, working our way up to F, which is short for forte. So make sure you're comfortable playing at those different dynamic levels. And just so you're aware, there's more dynamic levels. So we can have PP, which is short for pianissimo, which means very soft. And there's also FF, which is short for fortissimo, which means very loud. We can also go further than that. So we can have PPP, which is short for pianissimo, which means very, very soft. And we've also got FFF, which is short for fortissimo, which means very, very loud. Okay, so work on your dynamic levels and remember it's all relative to the style of music you're playing. So if you're playing a lighter style of music, your MF is going to be quieter than your MF for a heavier style of music. Okay, so start at MF, your normal playing level, and then just make sure you've got different dynamic levels, lower, so going softer, and also higher, going louder.